Hey, welcome to Runaway Homestead. We are getting ready to go take some elderberry cuttings for sale and for planting. Are those your chickens, Ellie? She likes to make sure they stay inside even though they're welcome to roam. She thinks that's where she's supposed to put them. So what we're doing is cutting below these nodes right here at a 45-degree angle. We'll stick it in the ground about up to here. You cut that angle, you cut this flat, so you know which end, for one thing, which goes in the ground. This is waste. I guess you could go down there and go there, and this is how easy it is. Oh, well, this is how easy it is to start your elderberries. Get it down below ground with those nodes. That's it. Take this one. I'm going to come on down a little ways. I've got a tree right there. I don't know if that'll stay. And again, down a little over those nodes. That is it. That's all there is to this. Got a couple more here.
Some of those were garbage.
That one's no good. This one's got the nodes down here. This is a long stretch for this one.
We're gonna try.
I'm gonna have to
Yeah, we need to get all that out there.
raspberries or whatever they are out.
It's not.
And this stickers more than anything.
I looked it up.
My neighbor called this possum vine. I have no clue what that is, but that's what he called it, was possum vine.
Huh.
But we'll get that out of here as well. So there you go. That's how simple elderberry is to get started. This is the American elderberry. It has no arsenic like the European elderberry does. So we're gonna get back to getting some cuttings ready to go out the door, and just wanted to show you how easy this is. We'll get some more and take them on down the fence row, but just like I say, I wanted to get out here and let you see what it takes to get your elderberry going. For our YouTube people, to let you know, we have a new group page that we would love to have you all be a part of and have you share stuff with us and the other people that are growing gardens, and you probably have a lot of stuff you can share with them, beginners. But it's called Runaway Homestead with Kim and Perry, and we would love to have you join the group. There's a lot more interaction on that, and maybe one of these days I'll get Kim to do a live feed. So thanks. I hope you enjoyed this. Any questions about elderberries, please let us know. So for those of you that are local, Kim's going to be potting some of these up to get started. She's going to be doing a plant sale later in the spring. And so we will have elderberry plants ready to go. Sorry we can't ship anything, not once it's like that. And next year, because these are already breaking dormancy. And next year, we can get cuttings earlier in the year, or more so in the winter when they're dormant, and sell some cuttings. So there you have it.